Hey guys, welcome back to Soft Asia. In this video I will show you how you can create a campaign. So let's start without wasting time. When you click on campaign, you will see campaign list. There is another tab under campaign named campaign manager. On top right there is a button create campaign. I will start creating campaign. Next, you will have three available options for campaign: create a regular email, make an automation, or build a landing page. I will click on regular email. Now you will have to select a template for your email or design it from scratch. I will use this simple text. There are a lot of options to design your email. You can change layout, add content and style. After making changes, click on Save and Exit button. Here you can edit audience, add subject and social icons. After making changes, click on Send button. And that's it. You have successfully started your first campaign. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.